ek moet seker eers praat, nee. This next challenge is, ek wonder of ek play gedruk het.
Jy het gesê jy gaan begin rekord.
Wel,
Jy kom
Okay.
Jay, kom ons vra om te kyk.
Jay?
Ja. Hoi!
Jay, kom kyk gou of ek play gedruk het asseblief. Want ek wil nou nie al hierdie doen vir net nie. Hey Pandora.
Ek kan my kat gaan bond. Ek sê nie, sy is lief vir my. Daar is lief vir my.
Ek het
Ag, cool.
omtrent niks. Ek het baie goed, maar ek gebruik dit nie. Ek het nou net hierdie uitgehaal wat ek gebruik.
Maar kan ek dan van hierdie goed doen? Want ek
Ja,
het nie
ja,
goed
ja.
gesien.
Ek gebruik net 2.
Wil julle dalk hierdie deur
Jack's in die bad. Oh my god.
Wil julle dalk hierdie deur toemaak?
Nee, dan echo dit. Kyk
Ek
net of
gaan
ek
dit erger.
kyk net of ek play gedruk het my engel. Ek weet nie hoeveel battery life.
Maak Jim Carrey. Maar hallo.
My skat.
Okay. Ja, die gooi al
Gooi uit.
lank.
Okay, dankie.
Bye Jay.
Moenie toemaak nie. Okay.
Sy's myne nou Jay.
Okay, so we are going to make up each other blindfolded. I just want to say, neither of us knows anything about makeup, ne? And I'm going to use my makeup on her, like I explained to her. She's not going to know what this is if she feels it. And I mean, I'm not going to know what her stuff is. The only thing that I'm going to put on her face that is of hers is the base. Because when I saw the color of her base, I'm going to look like a Oompa Loompa.
I'm dark.
And then she's going to use my base on my face.
I'm gonna
Base
use
on
your
my
face
face.
Ons
Base
so
on
begin
my
dans
face.
in die bad. Face on my face.
And we're not going to use liquid eyeliner because that's just going to be... Somebody call 911.
Sy tweede keer dat daai flipping peanut butter en yoghurt van jou afval.
Sit dit net op as...
Dude,
Ek sal dit gaan haal. Alright, so...
hy's so cute.
Jonita, waar's jou base?
Jay.
Toe maar, I'll get it. Oh my goodness. Ek gaan dit met my hande aan sit. I don't know how to use those sponges.
Jy hande gewas bra. Ek chunk. Is dit okay?
What base is yours again? You said it was this. I'm gonna make up you the way I make up. I don't use these sponges because I don't know how to.
Wat sê Flip vir hom gesê? Mag ek sê?
Ons mag nie vloek nie.
Nee, kom ons piep.
Nee, ek dink jy ek sit hier elke dag en het niks om met my tyd te doen net om video's te edit.
Fine.
Okay, so enige iets wat ek gaan vuil maak wat op jou. Ek wil nie die Japon dirty maak nie.
Hoop skryf.
Oh ja, I'm talking. I don't want to dirty the
She doesn't want to do dirty my Japan.
This is so This is going to be so difficult. Oh, this was the dumbest idea.
Feel your canvas.
Ek weet, is it upside down?
Nee.
O. Jy mag niks sê nie. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes,
Give me your face.
darling. Do I look like a supermodel?
Blue. This one.
Ek gaan so sit.
Was
Ek
die nou-
gedink daar's blou nou.
Ja. I'm going to use my fingers because I'm going to poke an eye out. Okay, so where are you? There.
Dis net blou nie.
Telling myself to get I want to blend two colors together. Maybe this one.
Weet jy wat se kleur is dit?
Nee.
Wat raai jy?
I really can't remember what this palette looks like. I can't even remember how old I am. And then the highlighter. I didn't really know about highlighter until I got it in my advent calendar box.
is.
Like I said, I know nothing about makeup. Tip of the nose, because I saw that in a video. And then your cupid's bow. Wat is your cupid's bow? Het jy geweet dat 'n cupid's bow?
Nee.
Neither did I. YouTube told me. And then eyeliner. You see, now I would not have. That's mine. I would not have known what your eyeliner feels like, but I know what mine feels like. You know what's the worst part?
What?
The lipstick and the mascara feels exactly the same. Gonna have black lips. The eyeliner. We said we were not gonna put on the inside of your eye, just the lid. Look at her fucking Anita. Do a little bit of a cat eye, I think.
I think this is pretty good.
Okay, and then lips. Okay, so it's one of these. It's this one.
Oh.
Okay. Yes, daai wat. This is that one that doesn't come off for 2 days. Just kidding. Maak so. And last but not least, let's go. Just no,
Eye open
no,
and closed.
eye closed.
Okay.
I didn't do eyebrows because I don't do my own eyebrows. I'm not about to try and do something that I don't know how to do. So let's check it out.
I can take a man if I want to.
Jou beard.
Wow.
Wat se kleur maak jy jou oë? Wow! Altyd was bruin.
I really hope this is not gonna smudge my makeup, because I have a date after this.
I washed my carpet yesterday.
Something weer was. Dit was net soveel cuter as myne. Kan ek net gou 'n vraag vra?
Ja.
Waar op jou gesig is jy sensitief? Is daar 'n seer?
Nee, nêrens. I'm not sensitive anyway.
Okay.
Just please don't get makeup on my
Bob,
and my shirt.
wat sê jy met jou?
Oh! Singles thrift. I purchased that singles thrift. Go check them
Yeah.
out.
Go check it out.
Go check them out on Facebook.
See anything?
Oh!
Wat's gaan aan?
Ek moet hier gekoop te vat. Dus jy kan letterlik moenie dit weet, moenie weet dit moes nie.
Okay.
Because there's a load of powder. Ah, okay.
Okay.
I'm so glad that's the only thing on mine you're using.
Using my fingers because brushes are overrated. Please close your eyes. Ek's nervous met hierdie stukkie.
Ja, jy's reg.
Is ek onder die
I love a nice cat eye. And they don't have to match. What do the people on YouTube say? They're sisters, not twins.
mascara?
Okay, wait, do. Wow!
Is it out?
Yeah!
Okay. Next we will be using
I don't even know what that is.
blush.
Oh, okay.
Since it's mine, I'm using a lot. Please make like
Oh,
this.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Then finally,
That's because my lips are so dry. Are we getting to lips?
I'm getting close.
Good job.
Thank you. I learned in
Are we
makeup
done?
school.
Are we done?
Gee, Louise. Oh my goodness! Yes!
My voet raak seer.
Bro, ek is jammer oor die.
Ow!
Sorry. Bro, ek het opgekom na hulle.
Dink jy so?
Definitief nice.
Jay, kom kyk hoe lyk ons. Dan sê jy wie het gewen.
Very pretty.
Ek like Monique se make-up. Sy lyk so bietjie soos 'n kruising tussen 'n American football player en Saartjie. En jy lyk soos iemand wat in Scream moes wees.
Dis hoe sy aangekom. Dis mos hoe jy altyd jou make-up doen. Okay, let's get out. Kyk hoe gooi sy haar make-up op my
For
mat.
more makeup tutorials,
Follow us.
subscribe.
And if you would like to hire us to come do your makeup for your wedding day,
Ain't gonna be cheap.
this gives me anxiety.
Bring your gezicht.
When we go to see the teddy bear are here to play. If you don't come play